Hey guys, welcome back to Steffi Creates. Happy New Year. Don't forget to start the new year off right and click that subscribe button and click the notifications bell so you never miss a Steffi Creates video. It's the best way to start off the year. You want to be inspired and get new ideas, so make sure you click that button. So because it's the new year, we're going to be making something to help us get into the swing of things, keep organized with a really cute and easy idea. We're going to be making these desktop calendars out of little boxes I found from the Dollar Tree. Isn't this so cute? I love this. I love calendars. I love being able to flip through and change the date. A great craft to start the new year with. I am so excited to share it with you. As always, full instructions will be on my blog, steffidcreates.com. Links to all the products I used in this video in the comments below. Also in the comments will be a link to sign up for my newsletter where every week you'll be getting an update on videos, events, little tips and tricks, and life hacks, more than you get in the video. So make sure you click on the link in the description below to sign up for the Steffi Creates newsletter. But that's enough business. I am so ready to get crafting, so let's get started. Come craft with me, Steffi D. Here's what you're going to need. A wooden box, white paint, small hooks, gift tags, sticker alphabets and numbers, and a paintbrush. You can use any type of wooden box that you want. I happen to find these at the dollar store and they are the perfect size for my desk. So I'm using these. They have cute sayings in them, but we're gonna transform them into our desk calendars. If you find one that already has designs on it that you like, you can totally use that and you don't have to paint over it. Because I'm gonna take this off, we're gonna completely transform it and paint it. So I'm just gonna take the middle saying off. It just rips off because it's cardboard. And so I have this little hole in it now where the paper was, so we're gonna paint over it. So I'm gonna take my paper plate or whatever you're using as your palette and some white paint, and we're going to completely paint the inside. And it's probably going to take about 2 to 3 coats to give it a polished look. So my first coat, I'm just going in and giving everything a good base. I also like to paint the inside sides. Let your first coat dry, and when it's completely dry, go ahead and paint your second coat of white on top. My box has this really pretty green color around the side, so I'm actually gonna keep that, but if you have a plain wooden box that you wanna paint, you can also take a second color of paint and paint the trim around it as well. Now we're just gonna go back in and give it one more coat on the inside. This is my second coat, just to make sure everything is even and solid in the background. If your box is like mine and has a mess up in the middle from where we took the saying off, that's okay. We're gonna be covering it anyway, so it's okay if it's not perfect. Now that our paint has completely dried, we're going to mark out where we want our tags to go. Depending on the size of your box will dictate how big you need your gift tags to be. I found some really thin ones and it actually fits perfectly 3 together without overlapping. But if you can't find any that are the perfect size, you can also make some out of note cards. So I am going to lay out my note cards. They already have a hole punched in them. If you're making your own, don't forget to punch your hole out. And we're going to lay out the 3 so I know where we want to put our screws in. Make sure they're all nice and lined up. And remember, they're going to hang a little bit, so give them a little bit of extra space to hang down. Once you have them laid out, you can use a pen or a little paintbrush. I have this tiny little paintbrush, and I'm just going to mark in the holes where we're gonna put the screws. Now we're gonna take our little screws. I love these. They're already white. If you can't find them in white, you can paint them, but I found some that are already painted white. And right where we put those dots in the box, we're going to press our screw in and twist it all the way in. Now our 3 little hooks are on here and we are ready to decorate our tags. So take your tags and you're going to need 12 tags for your first column for each month, 4 tags for your second column for the day, so you're gonna need 0, 1, 2, and 3. And your last column, you're going to need 10 for 0 through 9. You also don't have to use these stickers. I'm just a perfectionist and I wanted all my letters to look exactly the same, and I don't have the best calligraphy skills. So I am using stickers, but if you want, you can buy markers and decorate them yourselves instead of using the stickers. My number stickers are a little bit bigger than my letter stickers because the numbers are the only thing going on the tag, whereas the letters we're gonna spell out the abbreviation of the month, so I needed a little bit more room. So I have smaller letters and bigger numbers. We're gonna start with the months. So we're gonna start with January, and I'm just gonna put J-A-N. I'm gonna do my letters diagonally so they all fit. It still looks really cute. So I'm gonna take my J all the way up on top so I have enough room for the rest of my letters, and then an A and an N underneath that. And we're just gonna work our way and finish all of our months. And again, if you wanna decorate these after you put the letters on, you can draw on them or paint them. It's totally up to you. Now we're gonna move on to our middle column, so that's gonna be 0 through 3. Take your numbers and we're just gonna pull it off and start with 0 and put it right in the middle of the tag. And now we're gonna work our way through, so we have 0 through 3. And then move on to our third column where we're gonna do 0 through 9. Now that all of our tags are made, you're gonna take your tags with the months on them and hook them in that first column. Then you're gonna take your second column with 0 through 3, put that in the middle column, and then take your last set of tags, hang it right in that third row, and there you go. Your own super cute desk calendar made from a Dollar Tree box. I love this. I hope you did too. Happy New Year. We did it! The first craft of the year is done. I'm so excited. There is gonna be so much more coming out this year, so don't forget to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out. And give this video a big thumbs up so I know you liked it. And if you want to see more organizational crafts and life hacks, let me know in the comments below. As always, full instructions will be on my blog, stephidecreates.com. Links to all the products I used in this video to make our little desktop calendars will be in the comments below. Don't forget to give me a follow on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest for more DIYs, life hacks, 1-minute tips, so much more on there. So go ahead and give me a follow. Start the new year off right. Let's do everything Steffi D. Lots of crafts, lots of inspiration, lots of budget-friendly ideas, so much more coming out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.